Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing the only 5 penny stocks worth talking about at this moment. They are CEI, VKIN, CYBL, FERN, and TONR. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the percentage gain or the symbol, it will take you to our original profile so you can see that is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. ALPP, we've been talking about it since February 10th of 2020. So our subscribers got in early, and that's where the big money is made. After you sign up with your email, you then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if we get something hot across our desk. And the best part is that both email and text services are a free service. We do not run a paid service. So if you ever get any messages, it is not from us. It is from a scammer. Insider Financial is not running any paid service. So once you sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com, that is it. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. First up is CEI and VKIN. They are running together. CEI owns 73% of VKIN. They share the same CEO. CEI, the two companies, they're a carbon capture ESG play, and they also have oil and natural gas wells. With oil, natural gas running, ESG hot among the climate change activists. So definitely it's a hybrid. It's the best of both situations. We first talked about CEI on September 1st. Well, we had talked about before, but the last update was September 1st. You just go into the magnifying glass, type in the symbol, and there it is. We told our subscribers about it that on September 1st, you go over here on September 1st to see where it was at. It was as low as opened at 49 cents, dipped down to 45 cents, closed at 66 cents, up 30% on the day, and that really started the rally in CEI. But folks, what's really going on here to give you a sense of what's happening? First of all, if you go to stocktwits.com and if you just go to rankings, it gives you the trending, what's going on here. But if you go into first this area, most active, it tells you the number of messages in the last 24 hours. CEI is number one, had 32,000 messages, followed by AMC, FAMI, ATER. I mean, this gives you a sense of where the social chatter is and who's winning the argument, bull, bear, to give you a sense of what the sentiment is. And sentiment right now, this is what's driving stock prices. Look, I am an old school, I understand valuations and everything, but right now that you know doesn't matter. The Warren Buffett, Ben Graham style of looking for valuations, trying to understand the value of cryptocurrencies, that's out the window. Right now you got to go with the sentiment. That's where you make money. And I'm not saying Graham and Buffett are dead in the water or anything. I certainly would never say that, but it's about sentiment. Markets change, and you have to adapt to those changes. Buffett, he's just set in his ways. He's got $100 billion. He doesn't need to change. But for you new guys looking to make your own fortune, you have to adapt to market conditions. And playing sentiment right now is what's driving prices. Then you can go to watchers, and this gives you the sense of how many people are adding it to their watch list. FAMI is number one. CEI is number two. At 3,938 followers. Most likely these are shareholders. So added 4,000 new shareholders in a given day. That's pretty good. So it tells you what's going on. But it's really being driven by this guy, Zach Morris. Calls himself the Master Furu. He's a pumper. CI, we're still early. He's been blasting it out every day to his 500,000 followers. He's saying it's going to $10. Guys, he's a pumper. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, you got to play the pump. I mean, guys like him, they push stocks higher, and you just want to ride the wave. You want to get on his coattails and ride the wave, but do not be there when he goes to dump. I mean, it's coming. I mean, please. I'm not trying to kill the momentum or anything. I mean, it's bidding up over $4 in the after hours, but the dump will come. It's just inevitable. We got an RSI of 88 right now. I don't know how far this can go. We'll see. I mean, our job at InsiderFinancial.com is to identify the stocks before they run. Whether it's a pump, whether it's valuation, catalyst, whatever it is, we're trying to get our subscribers positioned before the run happens. After the run happens, I have no clue what's going to happen. I mean, this is already, it was a 10-bagger in 1 month's time. I did my job. I found, a runner before the big move. I delivered a 10-bagger. What more do you want from me? This is what I specialize in. This is what I do. And, I'm here to try and keep it as real as possible for you guys. And, pumpers like Zach, you want to ride his coattails, and he's not going to be right on every one. He's just asked the folks in Wish. I mean, he has buried them in Wish. This has been one he's pumping, saying it's going to $69. I mean, this has just been a horrible this pump. He says he's still long. Who knows? He might have pumped it and dumped it. I don't know. Guys, when guys are posting, screenshots of P&Ls, account balances, that could be photoshopped. You don't know. I mean, yes, I know he's made money in this. I mean, because it's so obvious. If you bought anything, at 45, 50 cents, I mean, it's a 10-bagger. So, he's definitely made money. How much? No one really knows. I know that I'm certainly not posting my P&L. What difference does it make? It doesn't help you to show my P&L. It doesn't help me to show me yours. I mean, who cares? I don't get this fascination with other people's P&L. I'm focused on just doing me. You should be focused on doing you. If I need to see motivation, oh, he made $1 million today. I mean, then you're not motivated for the right reasons. I'm motivated. I have a young son. I'm motivated to provide for him. That's my motivation. My motivation is not a Lamborghini or Rolls Royce or any of that other, BS that doesn't mean anything. So, that's just my 2 cents. You could say, okay, boomer, but, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. If you are in CEI, just be careful. It's already a 10-bagger for us and our subscribers. We're out. Guys, go have fun with it. So good luck to everyone in CEI. We are on the sidelines. Moving on, CYBL. This one now is a 93 RSI. This looks like it's getting a little exhausted. I still think this one goes higher, but it might consolidate, pull back a little bit. It's got a $356 million market cap. It's been an incredible run for our subscribers. Again, just go over here to the magnifying glass and you can get our full coverage on CYBL and the stocks that I am talking about today. What else? CYBL. What else did I have to say about that? Oh, yeah, they had put out a tweet yesterday. Quick update. Our team is working hard to close out Q3 with new partnerships like Strike Group, pushing acquisitions as quickly as possible, refreshing the website, and hitting revenue goals. We expect the site live end of day tomorrow, and with Q3 results, the IR deck will post. So they're delivering milestones. They're updating shareholders. This is what you want to see, and this is shows you a company that is looking to do right by its shareholders, and this is why it's running. It's a quality company. So, but again, eventually there are times when runs die out, pulls back. So just keep that in mind. FERN, FERN. This is just a $109 million market cap. This one here, new highs, was out with a new press release. They had told everybody that catalysts were coming. They said they were going to relaunch their Perfect Mind website. Ta-da! They did so yesterday. So again, this is a company that's doing exactly as it said it would. Look, the OTC is sketchy. It's full of shady characters. It's full of a lot of BS. But if you know that and understand that, you can use it to your advantage and to make a lot of money. One thing that we really look for here is a company delivering as they promised. And, a company that sticks to its word and delivers as promised, that's a quality OTC company. So, you want to separate the quality from the dog shit. CYBL, fits that category, and, they're doing what they said, just read the press release. It's a great press release. I'm not going to go into the details here, but we like what we're seeing from CYBL. Last up is TONR. This is only a $28 million market cap. It's set to merge. It's looking for a reverse merger candidate in the crypto, blockchain, DeFi, fintech space. The company is set to go pink current next. So while everyone's chasing these stop sign BS deals, the quality companies that don't have the stop sign, that are set for a reverse merger like TONR, it's running. And, this is a quality play, and this is what we look for our subscribers. Speaking of alerts, we had one alert for our subscribers this week on Monday. Rallied from the open up 60%, closed up 41%. So it was a great day for our subscribers. Probably be coming with alerting that one again. We'll see how it trades. That's why I'm not going to discuss it right now. But right now it's you got to be in the quality. I talked about just a few names. These are the only names worth talking about right now. Everything else is waiting on catalysts. Nothing excites me, but this is what's worth talking about. And I'm trying to, deliver to you guys useful, actionable, knowledgeable info. You know, to start talking about a stock that's, you know, at the lows and, oh, it might do this, or, you know, or to try and pump it up from dead, I'm not looking to do that. Or, you know, likewise with these stocks near the highs, I'm not looking to pump them, you know, say, oh, they're going higher, they're going higher. Guys, the money's already, you know, big money's already been made. Does the run continue? I don't know. All I know is that, you know, if you caught some of this, you know, make sure you're locking in profits. You know, we still like these for long term, but, you know, you can wait and buy the dip. So, you know, I look at each trading, you know, each new trading day as a new opportunity. And, you know, it's either am I going to stick and hold what I already own, or am I going to put new money to work? So, you know, that's how you have to look at it on a daily basis, and just evaluate, you know, continuing to evaluate what you own. You know, sometimes it pays to book profits. Sometimes it pays to just cut your losses. You know, losses are a part of the game. You know, if you've been listening to my channel, you know I talk about owning a portfolio of penny stocks. You know, 10 to 20 or more for some guys. You know, because all it takes is 1 or 2 to 10 bag, 20 bag, 30 bag, 50 bag, and, you know, you've crushed it. And, you know, if you end up in a bag holder and a few others, as long as it's not, you know, a small portion of your portfolio, who cares? Take the tax loss before the end of the year and offset against your winners. So, you know, again, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a CPA, but, you know, you got to learn to what I'm talking about. You know, you got to educate yourself, because in the end, it's all down to you, providing for you or your family. You know, who cares what Zach Morris is posting on his screenshot? Is it real? I don't know. Could be, might not be. Who cares? It doesn't change my life one iota. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful trading day. Make sure you go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. I am always on the lookout for a new alert for our subscribers, trying to get them positioned before the big run. So, you know, make sure you're signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. We only send out our best ideas. Sometimes that's 1 a week, 2 a week. Sometimes it could be 5 a week. It just depends on the market. Right now, we only had 1 this week. Let's see how Thursday develops, and what I see for Friday. If not, then I'm always, you know, I'm working 7 days a week, so I'll be looking over the weekend. Maybe have something for Monday. So, again, that's why it's so important. Make sure you're signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com with both your email and your mobile number. And as I said, the best part is that both are free. Thank you, everyone, for watching, and I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Thank you, take care, and have a great day. Bye-bye.